Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoy this content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into Withlocals, found at withlocals.com, a platform designed to connect travelers with locals for unique and personalized experiences. Whether you're yearning for a hands-on cooking class in Rome, craving a guided exploration through the hidden alleyways of Kyoto, or simply seeking authentic recommendations from someone who lives and breathes the local culture, Withlocals aims to provide just that. They offer a diverse range of experiences, spanning culinary adventures, city tours, and even personalized shopping excursions. Instead of the typical tourist traps, Withlocals focuses on providing authentic and immersive encounters that allow you to truly engage with the local culture and people. Imagine learning to make traditional pasta from a nonna in her Florentine kitchen, or discovering the best street food stalls in Bangkok with a local foodie. These are the kinds of experiences Withlocals facilitates. The website itself is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can search for experiences based on your destination, interests, or even the type of activity you're looking for. Each experience is detailed with information about the local host, the itinerary, the price, and reviews from previous participants. This allows you to get a good feel for what to expect before booking. Furthermore, Withlocals emphasizes responsible travel and supporting local communities. By connecting travelers directly with locals, they help to ensure that tourism dollars benefit the people who live and work in the destinations being visited. They also prioritize sustainable practices and encourage respectful interactions between travelers and locals. So, if you're looking for a more meaningful and personalized travel experience, definitely check out withlocals.com. It's a fantastic way to connect with local culture, discover hidden gems, and create unforgettable memories. I found it to be a valuable resource in my own travels, and I highly recommend it to anyone seeking an authentic travel experience.